Here's an example of one of the pieces of the Royal Imperial Jasper, and you can see it has this chalky white outside, sort of pink eggs in a greenish background. Here's another piece. Now this piece was mined some 30 years ago, and you can see it also has those sort of pinky eggs in the greenish background. Not quite as chalky on the outside, so maybe this was a surface rock or something near where the new material is coming from. Here's two more Royal Imperial specimens, both with very fine egg pattern. It's in with sort of pinkish eggs in a green background. There's a very nice variety of colors that are coming from the Royal Imperial deposit. Some blues. You can see this one is sort of tinting blue in the center. Some pinks and some light oranges. But the pink and green is a primary or the most dominant colors from the deposit. One very exciting thing about the Royal Imperial is the apparent size of the deposit. I mined morrisonite for 10 years. A couple of those years I only produced several hundred pounds of morrisonite in 4 to 6 weeks of working. And of that, only a small percentage had this had the egg type pattern. Bruno Jasper, which is more prolific, in the 30 some odd years I've known the miners who have worked there, there probably hasn't been 6 or 7 tons of the material produced total. And yet at this new Royal Imperial deposit, in the past 2 years, there's been at least 6 tons produced. And most of the Jasper has the egg pattern. This is very exciting. And the gem shop has been working with the mine owners and has purchased the majority of the rock that's been coming from this mine. And we are really excited about it because we think that this particular deposit is probably the largest example of the fine jaspers that are the type of jasper that has the egg pattern.